everybody. It's the last episode I'm doing today of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And I'm hoping I know what to do with these instant noodles. These are from China, and they're Konjac noodle, very, very, very low cal. It says for 100 grams of this stuff, it's 15 calories. That's like nothing. I've had people say when they eat this stuff, it comes out the same way it went in. And that to me just says, chew your food, people, come on. But here it is, look at this. It's just like a big, weird thing. And I think what you do is dump this all in, add in hot water, let it sit there for 3 minutes, and then drain it and rinse it in cold water, and yeah. That's what I am guessing. And hoping, because if not, then I'm kind of like doing everything all wrong. But there, now it's in there. Oh, they're thick too. So I think this is a variety of Langpi. Yeah. I can't say it, but I think it's oh, where is that? Shangxi cold noodle. I think that's what it is like a version of that. So we'll see. I mean, yeah, it's definitely an acquired taste, and lucky for me, I've acquired it, so I'm pretty stoked. I'm not even positive on the brand of this. I think it's called, I think the brand is Pearl, but I'm not even sure about that. So yeah. But it's hot and spicy. It does say that in English, so there's that. I've been neglectful of our regular religious meetings, and in the last 2 episodes I didn't read any quotes from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks, and these are quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle. So with that, I suppose I should. So let's do some of those. Let's start with number 93. A product must not only taste good, it should be something that one does not get tired of. Number 94. The moment of greatest pleasure is when I hear customers say our products simply taste wonderful. Number 95. There is a clear distinction between quality products and saleable products. That's very true. Number 96. Do your utmost to sell only genuinely excellent products. Excellent! Also, if they're rad, that's a plus. I believe that's a quote out of here. Number 97. Make products that will inspire and impress people. Number 98. Find new sales systems to sell your new products. Number 99. Stunning products will sell because they create their own sales channels. And number 100, products that lack originality are swamped by competition, producing nothing to reward the hard work put in. So a few years ago, a company out of Malaysia called My Quali, they made a, what was it, Penang white curry noodle. And it ended up 7th on my top 10 spicy list. Actually, it ended up later on number 1 on my top 10 list. I mean, it's good. If you haven't had it, you should be able to find it in most Asian groceries now. And you'll notice on the side there's a Ramen Raider logo. I've had a relationship with this company for a while now. They even brought us over to go visit, and that was rad. You have to put Malaysia on your bucket list. Please. You have no idea what you're missing. But anyways, yeah, so they came out with this white curry. It went viral, and all these other companies started coming out with this white curry, that white curry, this white curry, that white curry. There's, I believe, maybe like 2 or 3 varieties now on the market other than theirs. Excuse me, at one point there were like, I want to say upwards of 30 different white curries, and they came and they went, and the one that always stuck around was theirs. So yeah, originality, that's a big thing. That's like my favorite flavor, honestly. I like trying new stuff. I mean, I had a new one this year that is a chicken flavor out of Taiwan, and it's absolutely stunning stuff. Sensational, wonderful, perfect. You'll be like, wait, it's chicken. How can you do anything different than chicken? I'll tell you what they did, and it's just freaking out of this world. Here we go, cold noodle on a hot, sunny day. Yes, sir, yes, sir. 3 bags full. 3 reviews, 3 episodes done. That noodle in there. So they're wide. They're belt-like, if you will. Did I have a fork? I thought I had a fork. I apologize, my fork has gone missing, so now I have a fork again. Okay, so there's our konjac noodle. One thing about them is they're very rubbery, and there's really, that's just like the nature of them. But I think this is lung pea because it's like, first off, this is garlic water. There's no way it's anything else. Well, I guess there is whey, but this is, well, it might just be oil. It might just be oil. So there is a way that it could possibly be something else, rather. I'm guessing one of these is going to be black vinegar. What's this one? This might be the spicy component or black vinegar. Hard to tell. This must be the spicy. That's the spicy component. This one has definite tanginess and aroma. But yeah, I think this is going to basically be like Shaanxi cold noodle. Which there were a few varieties that all of a sudden started hitting the export market and ending up over here from China in the last year or 2. One of them is Shaanxi cold noodle. Another one is luosafen. Basically, it's a river snail powder noodle. You'll find those all over the place with all sorts of clever packaging and yeah, river snail. I've got kind of a love-hate relationship with river snail noodle. I'm always keen to try a new one, but it's definitely a flavor that I don't appreciate like I'm sure a lot of people do. But that's okay. Okay, I think we're good. Give that a stir. Wow, this looks absolutely vicious. Honestly, it kind of smells like river snail. And these are really wide and thick, so I bet you this is going to be the chewiest thing ever. Gosh, that's nice. It was hot and spicy, it said too, and it's not all that hot and spicy. But it works. Yeah, so I could like wolf that down and it'd be like 15 calories maybe for the noodle, and then the only thing else you got is all the oil and sauce and stuff. This is the first use of this plate in my house. This is the, what is it? Homecoming Noritake. And God, I would like close my eyes and see this pattern all the time. This is like what I grew up, we would have in the house. So I went up there to my hometown and my house where I grew up this weekend, and my sister saved me a couple of these. Thank you very much to my sister. Let's garnish this a little bit. I don't know how well this plate's gonna work, honestly. Oh, I think a package arrived. We shall see. Whoa! No. Sometimes. Where'd it go? There you are. Sometimes they just fly off of there and onto the floor and all over the place, and they shouldn't, but I'm learning. We're all in a state of growth, I think. Are you in a state of growth? I'd like to think I am. Here's some crushed red pepper. And I think as a nice garnish on this one, we're gonna go with one of my absolute favorite things ever, crispy fried garlic. And it is grubbing stuff. It's like literally like garlic potato chips. And there we are. And my nose is dripping. I'm just like way overheated in here. Yeah, it's like gross in here, super sweaty. But the worst is yet to come, ladies and gentlemen. It's not even Thursday yet. But we're looking at some heat on its way, so. No, that way. Over that way. All right, Rotato, do your stuff. Alright, well that's that for me today. I am done. I'm going to try to do 3 more tomorrow. It's been kind of hard to get stuff done. But it's okay. I will persevere. It's not persevere, it's persevere. And these are some pretty severely decent noodles. So, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every single freaking day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.